In this video I'm going to share another feature that the Keynote software has to offer. Charts and graphs are a key part of the data process, especially when you are sharing your findings with your colleagues and the leaders in the school. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this and pop over to our Instagram page for more inspiration. Open the Keynote software and select the white presentation slide. Click on the chart icon and you will see this screen. You will see options for 2D, 3D, and interactive charts. Click on the 2D graph and select the color of your choice. This graph is perfect for reporting data to colleagues when showing groups and class comparisons. Go down to the Edit Chart Data tab and change the figures. Go to the Chart tab and add in a title, border, and a key by selecting the Legend tab. Select a new slide and go back to the Chart tab and select the 3D option. Click on the chart and you will be able to move this around on the page. Change the headings and titles to suit your needs. And you can also change the fonts by clicking on the title and then selecting the Style tab to make the changes. Add in a new slide and go back to the Chart tab to add in another chart. Select Interactive. You can edit this in the same way that you have changed the previous charts. However, the difference with this is you can add in multiple data sets, and then use the scroll tab underneath the chart to see the different data. So add your data into your chart by clicking on the Edit tab. And you can then view all of your data sets in your presentations. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out our Pinterest page for more ideas and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.